Imzuliswano yokuqala yokuhlungela umqhudelwano we-Africa Cup of Nations wabesifazane ayiwasizanga nhlobo amaqembu iBanyana Banyana neAlgeria. IBanyana yalobola eMozambique ngamagoli ayi13 sekuhlanganiswe yombili imidlalo kanti iAlgeria yona yachoboshisa iSudan ngamagoli ayi14 emlenzweni wokuqala. INingizimu Afrika iguqiswe iZambia ngamagoli amathathu kokungcweka abebewudlala eLusaka ngempela sonto.
It was a good warm-up game, a good eye-opener for us ahead of the very important Algeria match. So yeah, we have to just take this result and step it up a little bit and hopefully work a little bit harder, touch up on the errors that we've made and go into the Algeria game with full confidence.
We have an important one next week which we can't afford not to win, you know. We need to make our people happy. That's who goes on the field and wants to lose, you know. No one wants to. So we will just learn from this one.
Yize kunjalo umqeqeshi uthi ake neme neze ngabadlali bakhe ngelithi bathela imizimba phansi uma besenkundleni.
And there's always learnings out of this. And we said to the players, you're not only playing this friendly, but you're fighting to get a spot to go to Algeria. And I don't think many of them raised their hands.
IBanyana izotholana phezulu neAlgeria eOrlando Stadium eSoweto ngolwesihlanu. Lamaqembu amabili azophinda aqhuthana amakizane eAlgeria ngolwesithathu oluzayo.